Hello, welcome back to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we will talk about tuples. So let's start with question number 1. Which of the following is a Python tuple? Option A, this one, option B, option C, and option D. Here the correct answer will be option B, and we know that tuples are represented with round brackets. So the correct answer will be option B. We know that round brackets are used to represent tuples, and square brackets used to represent list, and the second bracket used to represent set. This is also dictionary. But if within this second bracket, if we have a key value pair, then that will be represented as dictionary. So let's go to the next question. Our second question is, suppose t equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, which of the following is incorrect? So here we have to identify incorrect option. Option A, we are printing t3. Second option, we are assigning the value t3 equals to 45. Option C, we are printing maximum element inside tuple. We are printing the length of the tuple. Here the correct answer will be option B, because values cannot be modified in the case of tuple. That is, tuple is immutable. So we cannot assign the value t3 equal to 45 like this. So this option is incorrect. Now I'll see the next question. Question number 3. What will be the output of the following Python code? So here you can see that we have a tuple with value 1, 2, 4, 3, and in the next line we are slicing the tuple with 1:3. So what will be the correct answer? Option A 1, 2, option B 1, 2, 4, option C 2, 4, option D 2, 4, 3. The correct answer will be option C, that is 2, 4. Slicing in tuples take place just as it does in the string. So how the output is 2, 4, we will see in the next slide. So this is the syntax of slicing. We have to give the name of the tuple, then specify start, stop, and step. Step is not mandatory here. So whenever we are assigning the value t equals to 1, 2, 4, 3, the values will be look like this: 1, 2, 4. This will be the value of tuple, and there will be index like 0, 1, 2, and whenever we are slicing t 1:3, it means the start is 1 and end is 3. So here index is 1, 2, and 3, but we have to remember that whenever we are giving the stop as 3, that stop will be, then it will print stop minus 1, that is 2. So here it will print 1 and 2 only. That means the element present in the index 1 and 2, that is 2 and 4. That is why the output will be 2, 4. Now we'll go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statements? Here you can see that we have same tuple here, but we are using here t 1:-1. So we are using the negative indexing here. So what will be the output? Option A 1, 2, option B 1, 2, 4, option C 2, 4, and option D is 2, 4, 3. The correct answer will be option C here, 2 and 4. And we know that slicing in tuple takes place just as it does in the string. Now I'll explain how this is actually happening. So we know that the syntax of the tuple is look like this. So here you can see the start 1 here and stop is -1. So 1 is our positive indexing and -1 is our negative indexing. So this is our range. So from this place to this place we have only 2 and 4 values. That is why the correct answer will be 2 and 4. So our start index is here, end index is here. So in this position we have only 2 and 4. That is why it will return the value 2 and 4 only. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 5. What will be the output after the following Python code? So here you can see that we have a tuple with value 1, 2, 4, 3, 8, 9, and within the square bracket we are using a for loop, and in this for loop you can see that we have range. We already discussed about range in our tutorial section. You can see that video. I'll give the link of that video in the video description. You can go through that video. So in this code, what will be the output? Option A 2, 3, 9, option B this one, option C, and option D. The correct answer will be option C, that is 1, 4 and 8. How it actually producing 1, 4, 8? So in this case you can see that the range is starting from 1 and length of t here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 and the length of tuple is 6, and the third parameter of this range function is step, that is 2. So first it will go to this first element, print the first element, then it will take the step as 2, so it will go here, then it will print 4, and at the last it will go to the plus 2, 8, so it will print 1, 4 and 8. It will not actually print, it will keep the element inside this 2 square bracket, so it will produce a list. So that is why it will give this type of output, which is option C. So I hope this is clear for you. So in this video I have just discussed 5 MCQ questions from tuple chapter. In the next video we'll talk about more. Till then, take care. Bye bye.